Imagine yourself on the eastern slopes of Crete, where the wild and lush landscape stretches as far as the eye can see. Nestled amidst this untamed beauty sits O Lofos, a contemporary residence designed by Block 722 that seamlessly blends with its surroundings. Rising from the slopes of Mount Thrypti, it's a testament to the perfect harmony achievable between nature and modern architecture. The challenge of building a 280 square meter home on a steep incline was met with an ingenious solution. Block 722 drew inspiration from organic Japanese minimalism, incorporating clean lines and smooth volumes into the design. The slope itself became an advantage, transforming O Lofos into a private observatory deck that expertly interacts with the surrounding landscape. From its vantage point, you can witness the breathtaking panorama of mountains, plains, and the majestic Mediterranean Sea, all in one glorious view. O Lofos isn't just about aesthetics, it's a celebration of local heritage. The main structure is divided into two low-rise buildings connected by a serene, semi-open area adorned with a delicate fountain. Natural materials like wood and stone are prominently featured, paying homage to the Cretan context. These elements are then skillfully combined with contemporary touches, creating a sense of timeless elegance. Stepping inside, you're immediately enveloped by the warmth of the Greek sunlight that dances on the natural textures, infusing the space with a sense of tranquility. The pursuit of a peaceful life is a constant theme, reflecting the island's laid-back way of living. This philosophy extends to the bespoke furniture, much of which was designed specifically for O Lofos by local craftsmen. Marble, wood, stone, and terrazzo come together to create unique pieces that embody the essence of the residence: neutral tones, earthy elegance, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The artistic spirit of O Lofos is further accentuated by a prominent 2.8 by 1.5 meter sculpture by Greek artist Pantelis Chandris. This masterpiece, created specifically for the living room, complements the environment perfectly. Its presence reflects the harmonious blend of scale and discipline that defines O Lofos, a place where art and architecture coexist in perfect balance. O Lofos transcends the concept of a mere residence. It's a timeless sanctuary that celebrates the deep connection between human creation and the natural world. Here, contemporary elements seamlessly blend with local heritage, resulting in a retreat that feels as though it has always belonged to the land it occupies. O Lofos is a work of art, a testament to the power of design when it embraces its surroundings. So there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning O Lofos residence. If you're looking for inspiration for a home that celebrates nature and tranquility, this is a dream come true. For more architectural gems like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what kind of homes you'd love to see featured next. Thanks for watching.